Hi, this is Murray from Second Time Tech, and today we're going to have a little discussion on a build, and I'm going to do it in parts. And what I decided was I'm going to sell all my computers that I have now, and I'm going to get myself a small laptop, and then I'm going to build a new studio computer. And I don't want it really big either. So, cutting down in size, it's just a little bit bigger than an ITX case. It's the Thermaltake Core V21 SPCC Micro ATX Cube, $79.99. Then for the inside of it, I'm going to get a Cooler Master MPX 5501 power supply. It's a 550 watt power supply, 80 plus bronze, and it's semi-modular. Semi-modular means that it has the 24 pin one connected to the power supply at all times, and it has the two 4 pins that connect to your motherboard for your CPU power connected all the time. But you always got to use those anyway, so it doesn't matter. I don't see any problem with that, and it's way cheaper. Anyway, the motherboard, an MSI Bazooka B450M motherboard, $114.99 Canadian. Going to go with the Ryzen 5 2600. It is a 6-core 12-thread. What I have now is a 1700, and it is an 8-core 16-thread. I don't do very hard video rendering, so I don't need anything extra fancy, so this should be just fine for what I want. Might have to wait a few seconds longer, but hey, that's alright. And it's $229.52. Now, the memory is 300 megahertz memory, DDR4. It's by XPG, it's Gammix memory, and it is 2 4-gig sticks. It's a kit, and it's $117.99. Instead of getting a small SSD and a 1 terabyte hard drive, I decided to put the money together and get a Kingston A400 SSD 480 gigabyte drive, so I can just do everything on the one drive, and then I'll get a storage drive later. I'll probably have one laying around. And it's only $99.86, so it's only about $10 more, so it's not bad. Now, because it doesn't matter which video card that I use to do my video rendering, because I did that whole video on it, I decided just to get a EVGA GeForce GTX 1050 SC, $179.99. And then, of course, Windows 10 Pro OEM license for $9.94. Now, I added that all up together, and on Amazon Canada, it's $902.78 Canadian. Now, that is plus tax, of course. When I get my laptop and get all the parts for this computer, then I will start doing the build. Well, that's all I have for today. If you liked the video, thumbs up. Didn't like the video, thumbs down. If you like the content and want to subscribe, please hit the subscribe button. And if you want notifications, you have to click the bell and allow the notifications, otherwise you won't get them. I do want to wish everybody a wonderful day. Thank you very much for watching and listening.